Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. One of my go-to favorite spices to use when I'm cooking is smoked paprika. I love this one from Unpretentious for a few reasons. First of all, it is an absolute delicious, high quality smoked paprika. It has a nice mild sweet spiciness to it. It is not like overly spicy at all. It just has this really delicious earthy, peppery flavor, and it has a beautiful smoke to it. So that smoke just adds a nice richness and depth of flavor to whatever you're cooking. And I use this all the time. Like when I don't know what to season my food with and I am not prepared, I always reach for this and it just makes everything taste delicious. I use this on meats and vegetables. It's absolutely super delicious on roasted potatoes, and a little sprinkle adds so much flavor. So if you're looking to boost up your flavor in your food, then I would definitely recommend this smoked paprika from Unpretentious. I love that you get a 1 pound container here. So if you like to buy your spices in bulk, this is an awesome way to do it. And that is my point of view.